In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Flash Player in Google Chrome. This will be a straightforward guide to help you get Flash Player up and running smoothly, so you can enjoy content that requires this plugin. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to head over to the Chrome Web Store. To do this, fire up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice a 3 dots menu. Click on that menu. A list of options will appear, and you want to hover over the word Extensions. This will prompt another set of options where you should click Visit Chrome Web Store. This simple action will open up a new tab in your browser, taking you to the Chrome Web Store. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, it's time to search for the Flash Player. In the top left corner, you'll find a search bar. Click on it with your cursor and type the words Flash Player. Once you've entered the search term, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This will trigger a search and display a list of available extensions linked to your query. As you scroll through the search results, keep an eye out for an extension named Flash Player for the web. Once you've located it, you need to add this extension to your browser. You'll find a blue button labeled Add to Chrome right next to the extension title. Go ahead and click on this button. A small pop-up will appear, seeking your confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed, and Chrome will begin installing the Flash Player extension. With the extension now added, our next step is to enable it. Look towards your toolbar, and you'll notice a puzzle piece icon. This represents your extensions. Click on this puzzle piece, and it will reveal a drop-down list of all your current extensions. Find Flash Player for the web in this list. Next to this extension, there's a toggle switch. Click on it to enable the extension. When the slider turns blue, you'll know that the extension is active and ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Adobe Flash Player in Google Chrome. This setup will allow you to view content that still requires Flash directly from your browser. Should you encounter any issues, double-check to ensure the extension is enabled. This process is quick and quite simple, providing an effective way to manage your browsing experience when dealing with Flash content. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day.